Hello friend, welcome to your channel How to Know. I am here again with the new initial offering. So let us start. First of all, you need to subscribe my channel and you need to sign up on the Gate.io. Both links are given in description section. You can sign up for there. So let us start. First of all, you have to log in your Gate.io account. After logging in, you can see like just once again I have to click here. Okay, due to network issue, I think there is being problem. So let refresh once again. Just you have to click over here. After clicking on more, then you can see like Get.io startup initial free offering Gari network. Okay, it's about the Gari network. I'm going to tell about Gari network and listing and it's about. So let be with me till end of the video. So let click off here. As you can see here, Gate.io startup initial free offering that Gari network. Gari an announcement a free distribution rule of 250,000 Gari free of charge. Okay, let's read about further about Get a startup free airdrop program. In order to reward platform user, Gate.io launched the startup project free airdrop program. Free airdrop for the excellent blockchain project are launched in the startup area from time to time. VIP and GT user can get a variety of this of the token where airdrop. So just you need to be a VIP member and just for the VIP member you need to hold some GT for 100 GT for 14 days and you will get VIP. You can find link for sign up on the Get.io in description section. Uh, Gate.io startup will launch in next project Gari network. Its short name is Gari. It will start on 17th of January and the link will be shared in the description section as well and from where you can get sign up on the Gate.io. Introduction of the Gari network. Let's read it out. A Gari network aims to build a crypto rewarded creator economy on Chingari, India's fastest growing short form video app. Okay, the Gari token exists to incentivize content creator to produce genuine content while keeping viewer engaged with the transparent tipping future, exclusive content and direct participation in the platform operation. Like it is a this is token to reward all the content creator on the YouTube or an other video like content creator on the video and they will be rewarded with the Gari. Okay, so let us read out further the information below provided by the Gari network team. Please follow their website for more information. Like token name is Gari, token symbol is Gari, maximum supply is around this. You can see 1000000 Gari and token type SPL. Okay, token contract number also is given here and token distribution unlocking rules is seed 10%, year lock of 50%, unlock at 2 year and rest vesting equal 30 days for 4 months. Private 10%, SFT 10 12.48% and year lock of 50%, year unlock rest visiting quality 30 days over month. Public sale 2.06%. Fully unlock for the sale in public sale West 12 5%, in public sale West 18 it will be 0.85% and 18 months lockup 100% after lockup. Public IOD will 0.67%. Okay, these are the information from the Gari network. You can also read it out on clicking here. Just I have to click here and Gari network page will be open and here we can see about detail about the Gari network. Just you have to visit about and other things. Like you can see here, fastest growing social media app powered by crypto. Okay, just you have to click over about what is Gari. Let's see mission. Our mission is to institutionalize the space and promote the growth and advancement of underlying ecosystem and technology behind digital asset and blockchain. Sumit Ghosh is the founder, CEO, and chairman of the Gari Network. Okay, if you want to read out more, then you can go on the LinkedIn or you can read out more here. So next, it's backed by the best industry, backed by the best in the industry. At the Republic, we believe in the social token are essential piece of the crypto community and creator economy. Chingari sells shares this vision and taken innovative steps to bring that vision to life. Their creator and user will now be able to more truly monetize their own engagement and experience. You mean it mean that the Chingari, it is a platform where you can like put your videos and other thing, and you can monetize and easily earn money from there also. Okay, so the managing director of the Republic Crypto is Andrew Durgi. Okay, and this is it. And if you want to read more about this, just you have to visit one by one. Let's see who is the investor. Investors are given here: Village Global, Angel List, Brian Nargod, Blume, FJ Lab, okay, and Fabrice Grida, On Mobile, Republic Lab, Salman Khan, Ideal Venture, and much more are investor. Okay, and let's see about the partners. Solarge, Republic, Solana, AWS, Decent, and security audit compliance, QuantStamp, and Solidified. The founding team are here. You can see Deepak Salvi, co-founder, and Sumit Ghosh, CEO and Chief Production Growth, Vishwas Nayak, co-founder and head of engineering, and Aditya Kothari, co-founder, chief strategy. Okay, here are some name given. Deep learning crypto team is Tariq Wali, Na Thorpe. These are the chief crypto analytic. Advisory board is Vivek Rajgupta, Krishna Sesadari, and Graham Friedman, and TJ Kwamura, and Andrew Durge, and Christian Solvia. These are the team and investor of the Gari. Okay. I, so if you want to read further in news, let's check it out. What is in news? Like Chingari ranked as India's top social media app on Google Play. Okay, social media app Chingari rank as India one on Google Play. There's a lot of news coming about the Chingari and where you can easily download and make videos and upload it and get rewarded over there. I will also do the same and I will check it. I will make it video on Chingari as well. I will wait for it. If you want to review about the Chingari, then please come do comment in comment section. I will make a video on Chingari as well. So currently we are talking about the get data initial. So let's come here. Garage network startup sale rule is are here. Duration it will start from 9 a.m. on January 17th on 18th. Okay, and to participate in startup sale, just you need to be a VIP one and above. Okay, price will be zero. Public sale will be 0.02. Starter supply will 2,50,000 Gari. Purchase limit, the maximum subscription limit of the single user is 100,000 shares, and relation between the VIP level and maximum subscription location is and maximum number of subscription this. So here you can get like you can see the same rule as previous it was. If you are VIP one member, then 2 into 1 equal to 20. If you are VIP 2 member, then 2 into 2 is equal to 10 to 10, go 40 shares. And if you are a VIP member, you can buy 90 shares. Okay. Unlock rules and other important things are given here. Investment, participant, and disclosure. I've also mentioned all the things in the going to the website. You can see country not supported: Afghanistan, Albania, Belgium, Belarus, Bosnia, Burundi, Burma, Canada, China, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Cuba, Europea, and much more countries here. You can read out here. I don't think I should explain all the countries. Okay, risk warning also given here. You can read it out. And AMM trading is also available on this token. So it will, according to me, this is a good token. But before investing, just you have to go through all the details, and you have to take care of the risk in investing the tokens. And hope this video is informational for you all. And please do like, subscribe for more video. If you want to more explanation on this, I will make a video on specific, especially. Then please do comment in the comment section. I will make a video specific on the Gari or Chingari network. Okay, thanks for watching.